Hello, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. It comes to us with, it was actually not given any hot water or steaming. So when I test the machine, I found out the machine full of scale and clogs from some spots. Usually that's really hard to fix. So I was suspicious of the water valve. Then I find out the water pump is broken. This is the old one. Actually, it's not very old. It's from 2021. But yeah, they recommended to replace these in 5 to 6 years. But yeah, so I just replaced it because it wasn't like strong enough. And actually now it's giving a hot water and steaming. Well, the machine comes without. Let me just the hot water first. And the steamer. And this machine actually comes without the portafilter. So I borrow portafilter from another machine just to test it. But yeah, that was the only complaint from the customer. It was the hot water and the steamer. And it's repaired and it's working perfect now. So I also cleaned the groove head, deep clean it and replaced the gasket and the shower screen. This is the old gasket on it. It looks like put a new one. And I tried to calibrate the grinder, but I don't want to go so far because customers always like their calibration. So I need to be a little bit more finer. To get more pressure. So the finer grind, the more pressure you get once your water pump is good. Okay, I don't have even like the tamper. The machine comes without it. You can reprogram this. It gives more water. So from here and start that. When you feel like it's satisfied, like this much of water, you can just stop it from here and the machine will keep it like memory. Yeah, that's all. So the machine works perfect now. Thank you for watching.